Hi, Dyslexic Genius here, Brett Hurt. I'm back on the Edison A1, and this video is about the 2 4-minute changer on one. And I'm going to point a few things out. You have this piece here, and it has a shaft that goes through, and then the little gold knob is what clicks it back and forth. And then you have a shaft coming out of the gear train right here that switches the gears from 2 to 4 minute. It's like an Edison fireside. You pull it out, push it in, pull it out, push it in. But what happens is these two shafts have to run smoothly. And I had a burr in here. So I flex toned everything, and I don't oil a lot, like I won't oil here for the on off switch, but these have to be lightly oiled. So I lightly oiled them and cleaned everything out because I had a burr on this shaft going in and it didn't want to switch. And then when you get everything hooked up and the spring hooked up, and that spring has a little screw, it's very important right there. And this is the flex zone I used. So if you watch, that's how it should go. It should just be smooth. And if my angel can focus in here, let's see, here, here. You can see it change. The bottom gear right there, watch that gear, and you'll see. Now we're going to go to 2 minute, 4 minute. And it should be like that. It should be very smooth. And you want to make sure that the set screws are tightened here. These float right here. And what I did was on these two screws that hold this rod, I oiled just a wee drop of oil on that because it kind of rubs. This is always moving in here like this. You'll see the shaft move. See how that's sliding? And these have a step. So you have a screw and a step, and then the rod fits in here. So I oiled right in there and a little bit on the threads when I bolted it together, just to give it a little bit of lubricant in there. But this is very critical on these. The next step will be hooking up the on-off here. And you can see this. It comes up, comes down. There we go. And then it'll be put the motor on and everything, and it'll be ready to go. But I just wanted to point this out about the 2 4-minute changers. They're critical on these machines. And that's my tip for the day.